Econ Topic 1. Fundamentals of Economics Lecture Notes. Topic 1.1 Scarcity. Economics is the study of how people seek to satisfy their needs and wants by making choices. Economics is about making choices. Businesses, governments, and individuals, including you, all make economic decisions. Together, these decisions shape our economy. The question is, how can we make the best economic choices? Scarcity means making choices. Scarcity is a result of unlimited needs and wants, limited resources, goods and services. Scarcity does not mean shortage. A shortage occurs when consumers want more of a good or service than producers are willing to make available at a particular price. Because scarcity exists in every society in the world, people all over the world have to make choices about how to meet their needs and wants. Entrepreneurs use factors of production. Entrepreneurs. People who decide how to combine resources to create new goods and services. They make a profit. They take risks. They develop new ideas, start businesses, and create new industries. They promote economic growth. What are the factors of production? Land is the natural resources used to produce goods and services. Labor is the effort people devote to tasks for which they are paid. Capital is a human-made resource that is used to produce goods and services. Physical capital is things and buildings. Human capital is knowledge and skills. The effectiveness of capital is determined by how physical and human capital is used. Why do we say that all resources are scarce? Land is limited to what exists on our Earth. Labor is limited by the number of people. Capital is limited by machinery and other products created. All resources are limited, so choices must be made as to what they are used for. Benefits of choosing which resource to increase. Increasing land provides more space and raw materials for production. Increasing labor provides more workers to produce. Increasing capital increases production.